How to get a web browser on Roku TV. Now, I wanted to be straightforward, but Roku does not actually have a direct feature in which you can use a default web browser on Roku streaming app. So what you can do is to um, uh, screen mirror any kinds of phone that you can use. But first things first, make sure that you will be on the same network or into a Wi-Fi connection. Now, from your Roku remote control, hit on the home button, and then once you're there, just simply scroll down into the settings tab, tap that, go to network, set up connection, wireless or wired, and then you will be redirected to all the connections or networks that is going to be in your area. Choose on the connection where you are still using it on your phone. Again, you have to be on the same network. So let's head out into our mobile device. Now, on your mobile device, if you're using Samsung, there is actually a built-in screen mirroring application that is already default by the Samsung devices. But if you're using other devices, just simply go into any app store available on your end and download any or your preferred screen mirroring app. Now, on this device, go into settings, go into the search box, type in mirror. Now, under connected devices, choose on Smart View, scroll down and hit on Smart View once again. So once Smart View is activated on your Samsung phone, just simply locate Roku TV in here, and then just simply cast it and use your Google Chrome from your device. And that's it. That's how you get a web browser on Roku TV.